Hi everyone, welcome back to MixTray English. Today, we have a funny and easy story for you. It's called The Talking Sandwich. Let's listen, read, and speak English together. Tom is very hungry. He goes to the kitchen and makes a big sandwich. The sandwich has bread, cheese, tomato, and chicken. Tom smiles and says, "Yummy!" He opens his mouth to take a big bite, but suddenly, the sandwich shouts, "Wait, don't eat me!" Tom is surprised. He looks at the sandwich and says, "Did you just talk?" The sandwich says, "Yes." "I have feelings too." Tom is shocked. He drops the sandwich. The sandwich jumps off the plate and runs away. Tom chases the sandwich and shouts, "Come back! I'm still hungry." The sandwich hides under the table and says, "Eat a banana instead." Tom stops and laughs. He says, "Okay, Mr. Sandwich, you win today." Tom eats a banana, and the sandwich hides in the fridge. Everyone is happy. The end. Let's read some sentences together. I am hungry. This is my sandwich. Don't eat me. Eat a banana instead. That was funny. Great job. You listened, read, and spoke English today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MixTray English. See you in the next story time. Bye. See you next time.